Make what?
Potato.
Oh, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.
We're doing the only exception now.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen.
When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry. 'Cause at the end, he broke his own heart, and I watched as he tried to read himself. And my mama swore that she would never let himself again. That was the day that absent love does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. 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 Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul, love never lasts. And we've got to find other ways to make it alone, keep the street face. And I've always felt like this, keeping a calm, cool distance. Now I say to myself that I can take loneliness, 'cause none of it was ever worth the risk. You are the only exception. You are the
Only exception.
You are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Yee-hee. I'm pretty sure she'll be alright.